Beautiful, well-kept massive home built in 2010. 7-bedroom, 4-bath home. 2 bedrooms are on main level. All hardwood and tile on main level. Sink and laundry room. Washer and dryer remain. Well-kept in-ground pool and backyard and pool house, with 0.5 bath. Stainless steel appliances in kitchen. Granite countertops in kitchen. Master bedroom with sitting room, walk-in closet, and master bath with oversized walk-in shower and double vanity. Jack and Jill bathroom upstairs. Rocking chair front porch. Convenient to schools, shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. Easy access to I-20. Voluntary HOA.